Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing pressure and protecting the workspace. Shut the valve and open a downstream faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, brace the mating part with one wrench and use a second to prevent twisting while you rotate the fitting. Now peel the loose outer edge of the thread seal tape back. You want to expose about 1/4 to 1/2 inch so you can access the tape without pulling the joint apart. You lift the tape edge with a small flat screwdriver or your fingernail, working gently so you don't gouge the metal. Then, pull in the thread direction, counterclockwise on typical male threads, so the tape comes off cleanly. Go slowly to avoid shredding into sticky fragments that bury in threads. If bits remain, apply a little isopropyl alcohol to break down residue and wipe with a lint-free cloth. Make sure the threads are dry and free of fibers before reassembly. You inspect the threads closely for remaining tape fragments, nicks, or old sealant and brush them clean if necessary. Undetected debris causes leaks. Once satisfied, rewrap with new tape in the thread direction using 2 to 3 snug wraps starting at the first thread so it seats under the fitting. After reassembly, pressurize slowly and watch for leaks. If a small leak appears, tighten incrementally or drain and reapply tape. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.